Violence that claimed 8 lives, Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son, Ashish Mishra, accused of murder, has been arrested. The Special Investigation Team of Uttar Pradesh Police probing the case has said that Ashish Mishra was not cooperating during the interrogation and that he was giving evasive replies. The murder accused has been arrested following over 11 hours of questioning in connection to the violence case yesterday, after the Supreme Court expressed dissatisfaction over the state government's action in the case so far. Ashish Mishra will be produced in court tomorrow. Remember, Ashish Mishra was named in an FIR following allegations that he was in one of the vehicles that mowed down 4 protesting farmers last Sunday.
हम लोगों ने सुबह से उनको इंट्रोगेट किया और लंबे इंट्रोगेशन के बाद हम लोगों ने पाया कि वो नॉन कोऑपरेशन कर रहे हैं, सहयोग नहीं कर रहे हैं, विवेचना में कई सारी बातें नहीं बताना चाह रहे हैं। तो नॉन कोऑपरेशन, इवेसिव रिप्लाई, इन सब ग्राउंड पे हम लोग कस्टडी में ले रहे हैं, अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं। ही विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड बिफोर कोर्ट और हम इसका सस्टेन्ड कस्टोडियल इंट्रोगेशन आगे करेंगे।
क्या कहा, हमने कहा वो थोड़ी कहेंगी। उनके सामने प्रोसिक्यूशन ने पेपर पेश किए कि मुझे कुछ और पूछताछ करनी है, इसलिए आशीष मिश्रा मोनू को 3 दिन के लिए पुलिस कस्टडी रिमांड दिया जाए। उसमें मेरा विरोध था कि हमको बिना सुने कस्टडी रिमांड नहीं दिया जा सकता, क्योंकि कस्टडी रिमांड का मतलब होता है दुरुपयोग। इसलिए पहले हमको सुना जाए, फिर वास्तव में अगर दिया जा सकता है दे दीजिए, नहीं तो न्याय हित में दिया नहीं जाना चाहिए। इसलिए उन्होंने सुनवाई के लिए मंडे की डेट फिक्स कर दी है, 11 तारीख। थैंक यू।
Right, so this is the latest which we are getting on Lakhimpur case where Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son Ashish Mishra, who has been accused of murder in this particular case, has been arrested finally after massive outrage. Remember, the Special Investigation Team of Uttar Pradesh Police probing the case has said that Ashish Mishra was not in fact cooperating and during the interrogation, and he was giving evasive replies. In fact, Prashant Kumar is tracking this case for us and is live with us to give more details on this. So Prashant, the interrogation of Ashish Mishra went on for 11 long hours. Help us understand what exactly transpired in that period. What were the kind of questions that were posed to him?
Well, if you look at the investigation, in fact, the questioning went on for about 12 hours. He reached the crime branch office around 11:45 and he was arrested at around 11:45 in the night. So clearly, as we speak, if you go by what the police sources are saying, the police says that perhaps he was not cooperating that well in the questioning that was being done, and also he did not give satisfactory answers and that he was evasive in answering the questions posed to him. So clearly that is the reason why the UP police says they have arrested Ashish Mishra. Now he was produced before the court late at night and he has been sent to 14 days judicial custody. Now the police will ask for a police custody on Monday, the hearing for which of course will happen on Monday. So we'll have to see what happens. But the kind of investigation that we have seen so far by UP police, especially the way in which till 5 days he was not arrested and he was in a way invited for questioning or for that matter called for questioning, that speaks volumes about the nature of investigation that UP police is doing. But having said that, we'll have to see what happens next in the case, because for now he has been sent to 14 days judicial custody, something that will be challenged by UP police on Monday.
Right, Prashant, thank you for sharing all those details. And on that